Spoon, you've gone like behind the truck.
On my screen, I'm directly underneath the truck.
Yeah, you're
One of you's underneath and one of you's like a bit a truck left behind.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we know it needs some speed.
Now this is how you enter Journo. Every Journo in
We can
style.
just shoot. We can just shoot from under. We can shoot people as drugs.
So you get like good speed out of that shit, yeah?
No.
Not at all.
I think
What would happen if you moved that fast though with them?
Would that always be when you hit somebody, it just slows you right down. You're at a sort of crawling pace.
Yep, you actually run quicker. I think he's
Actually,
jogging.
yeah, can we just like, we'll just let us get our breath back? What the fuck?
We're still dragging Spoon.
I think I'm at speed now.
What the fuck?
What? You're going to
Oh. I've
You stopped.
Fell out.
When I'm gonna head to Michigan.
You guys search blue?
no, I don't think he did.
No.